Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to AXT, and I have been in a trouble lately with my printer. It's not printing anything if I insert a paper and give a print command from my computer. It just gives out totally blank page. So it's not right. It's not right at all. So later on I found out that the pipes were totally empty. It doesn't flows any ink to the head of the printer. This video is for you if you are facing the similar problem and want to get the fix instantly, then this is it. Also, if you're one of those who doesn't want to get all the experiences that I have gone through, then you can just skip ahead to this time. And for the rest, let me introduce you to my printer. This is Canon G2010 and this is an inkjet printer. In normal language, it's a color printer with a very budget friendly price. The best thing about it is that it is a very cost efficient. Also, the color accuracy is awesome, and moreover, it has a tank for ink refill. Well, this is not a review. That is what all I can say about this video. So why this video? Well, my printer broke down and it's not printing anything. It just gives an error code P08, and I've been trying to fix this, but I'm not able to. I figured out that the pipes were blanked. It's not passing any ink to the head of the printer. I had no clue. So I'm in trouble. That is why I thought to follow some YouTube videos. Instead of going to a service provider, I thought to follow some super expert YouTube videos. They were literally asking to open the head of the printer and blow air through a syringe. But to do that, we need to open the head of the printer at first. So I did that. I just opened it up, and without giving a second thought, I just started to follow what they were saying. First, we need to open the printer's head. And to open it, it was a hectic little process. There is a little hook back to the roller on the right corner when you open up the printer. You just need to put that hook a little back, and once you do that, pull the ink head and open it up. So the next step was to blow the air out of the head, and of course we're not going to blow it with our mouth. They suggested us to use syringe for, yes, syringe, the one we use for pushing injection in our body, that thing. They suggested us to use the syringe for pushing air in and out through the holes where ink pipes were connected. And here goes nothing. Well, the pipes were still empty. It's not printing anything. It's giving that P08 error code. P08. What's that? Let's have a look on it. Let's search in Google. Canon space G2010. That's my model number. And P08 is the error. Let's go to the manuals. Then now let's check what is the problem actually. We had the P08 error code. So here you can see there are a lot of error codes like E02, E03, E05. What we need to search is P08. There it is, P08. It has 3 sections. You can see 5200, 5205, 5206. Printer error has occurred. Let's click on the 5200, 5205 and 5206. Okay, what to do? So it is saying us to clean the print heads or do a ink flush. Now All you need to do is go to the start and search control panel and hit enter, then make it big, then go to the hardware and sound, and after that devices and printers, then go and select your printer. Right now it is offline, but still I'm trying to show you. Just right click on it and hit on printer properties. Yeah, and then go to the maintenance tab at the end right here, click on that, and then at last you can see maintenance and preferences, and hit on this. Voila, now you can see that there are lots of options, like you can see cleaning eliminates unwanted smudges and lines in the print result, or deep cleaning which unclogs the nozzle that cannot be cleared by the regular cleaning. Then there is print head alignment, nozzle check, ink flush, then bottom plate cleaning, roller cleaning. So what was our problem? Our problem was that there was no ink in the pipes. Inks are not flowing through the pipes. So all you need to do is click for the ink flush. It fills the ink tubes and the print head with ink. All you need to do is we have to click on this ink flush, and then it will ask us to start it, then hit OK, and it'll be done. It will take a while to take the ink into the heads. Also, you can see the pipes are being filled by the ink and it's moving to the head. Once it's done, then we'll do a nozzle and a print test, both color and black and white. Nozzle check. It prints a pattern to check whether the print head nozzles are clogged. By performing a nozzle check, we will get the information that if the ink is being flown to the head or not. We can see each of the colors separately, and also with an addition information that how many pages have been printed through the printer this entire time. So what can we learn from it? We should never jump in the conclusion without researching it. Like the way I did, without doing any research, I just followed that unprofessional way of doing things, which was not worth it at all. And I was lucky that it didn't destroy my printer's head. But later on, I did the things the way it is to be done. Well, you see, this maintenance option is not only available on this Canon's printer, but it is also available in the printers like Epson, HP's, etc., etc. Printer company actually, obviously, they will give you a way to get out from the troubleshooting if you're facing any. So they provided this way, the maintenance tab. Every one of them has this head cleaning, nozzle check, then roller cleaning, or ink flush. Every one of them has these options. This is a universal way of dealing this kind of problem, and every printer has this kind of similar things. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you think I have given any kind of wrong information in this video, then comment down below. I would love to know, and I would love to fix it later on. Otherwise, if you think this video helped you and it was informative enough, then make sure to leave a like, and if possible, subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you guys in the next one.